Hello everyone. Our topic for today, Mastering Microsoft Word Personal Profile Formatting Challenge. And I'll be demonstrating some short keys. And then disclaimer, I'm using MacBook instead of Windows. So the control key is replaced with the command key. And then we're gonna go to Word. So to make this video, I already input some information to work with. So first shortcut key is Command N to new blank, and then we're gonna go to first page, and then next is Command A to select all, and then Command C to copy. And then we're gonna go ulit sa Command N to new blank, and then Command V to paste like this. So we're gonna go to next page, the first one page, and then since this information is about myself, I'm gonna use my name as the title. I'm going to center my name. So center my name, I'm gonna use center my name. To center my name, Command E like this, and make it bold. Command B, and then to make line, underline, Command U. See, that's it. And then if you want italic, you can go paste it. I select this, and then Command I to italic. Let's see, right? Nakikita nyo, italic. And then if you want to move the you can use Command R, right or left. R pa din yung command mo, right? And then if you want to change font size, you can click here, this, and I click, and you choose whatever you want. So I choose Arial, so this. And if you want to change the font size, you can click here and size 12 like this. And I want to change my font size on my name, so you can use, so I choose this 20 like this, right? And if you want to enumerate, you can use bullet or number. I show you an example. Select you want to enumerate, like select hobbies to watching movie. So bullet, I choose my bullet. So this recently used, or something you want on this, like this. Why it's not so this, pindutin mo lang yung bullet like this, i-select mo lang to. And then if you want to enumerate, you click skills to adaptability, so choose numbers like this, ABC. Why? Choose this. I choose numbers instead of what? She don't have a numbers, so this like this, and remove the number 1, right? And then like this. And then if you want to insert the picture, you click and insert, and then choose pictures, and then you select picture from file, and then select the picture you wanted, like this, my picture, so I insert it. Right, and then we're gonna click the wrap text. If you want to square, if you want to top and bottom, you wanted, and if you want to in front of text, then go. Why? Then go. Oh, my mouse is naglalako. And we're gonna use this like this. You can fix it, right? Says, oh no, sorry, my mouse is not working on it. It's not good. This, and you go to, oh no, why my mouse is so nagloloko. So we're gonna use na lang dito sa laptop, ay MacBook, sorry. Why you don't, why yun this, o kaya you choose in this, move with text, fix position on page, pwede din, or something square, or top and bottom, like this. You choose it, what you want, and I choose square. We're going to use this like this. Alright, and then okay, if you want to change also the font of this, we're going to select also OLED, and then choose Arial, and also the skills and adaptability, choose Arial. This, if you want. Why my mouse is not working good? And also, if you want to change also the font size, why? Also the font size, then you can go to font size. Yes, click here. You choose 10, 10. And if you choose 16, then 16. That's too big, right? My mouse is not working good, so we're going to this 12 lang. Then, and also the another command keys you wanted is Control P, Control P to print, or and then another one is Control S to save. Okay, 10 10 short keys I discuss. And thank you guys for watching.